Have you ever heard of a program where they offer you a free moving truck rental, a free home appraisal, and a free home warranty? Hi, I'm Nick Palm, and here at the Whissel Realty Group, we offer you all those things and more to help make the home buying process as easy and stress-free as possible. In addition to those things like the free appraisal, the free home warranty, and the free moving truck, we offer some really great perks that you're gonna absolutely love, like the love it or leave it guarantee. If you don't absolutely love your home in the first year that you live there, we will resell that home for you at no commission cost to us. Let's just say your home's haunted. Ooh, we got your back, completely covered. When you work with us, you've also got access to our 24/7 home hunting software. We basically scour the internet, all corners of it, to compile all the active listings that are on the market right now and put it in one place. It's like a one-stop shop for your home search. On top of that, our experienced team of real estate professionals have done thousands of transactions all through San Diego County. And the relationships that we've made with other agents in San Diego County are what's gonna help you negotiate your home for the best possible price, and even more importantly, get your offer accepted in a competitive market like the one we're in. So if you're thinking about making a home purchase in the near future, give me a call. We'll talk about some options. I'll tell you some more great perks that we have, and we'll help make the home search for you as easy, stress-free as possible.